Hi everyone, welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today we discuss about inverse trigonometric functions, JEE mains questions. The first question, tan of sine inverse of x by root 2 plus root under 1 minus x square by root 2 minus sine inverse x. Here let us take sine inverse x is equal to theta. That implies x we get sine theta. Now substitute in statement tan of sine inverse. Here expression right sine theta into here 1 by root 2 place in right cos 45 degrees. Here 1 by root 2 also this is placed in right sine 45 degrees into root 1 minus x square. So root 1 minus x square is nothing but root 1 minus sine square theta. Minus sine inverse expression right theta. Here tan of, here we have one formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here sin root 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos theta. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We have formula sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is nothing but sin theta plus pi by 4 minus theta. Now here sin inverse sine get cancelled. What we get? Theta plus pi by 4 minus theta. Here also theta cancelled. Tan 45 degrees value 1. What is the answer here? 1. Okay, now I am going to explain second question. Find the value of cot inverse 7 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse of 18. Here, cot inverse 7 place in right. We have one formula. Cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. Taking reciprocal here. Reciprocal of x by 1 here, 1 by x. Okay, right, cot inverse 7 plus 7 by 1, here 8 by 1, here 18 by 1. Cot inverse of 7 can be written as tan inverse of 1 by 7. This is tan inverse of 1 by 8. This is one tan inverse of 1 by 18. Why? Because we have tan inverse x plus tan inverse by 1 formula is there. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to, we have formula tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. What is the condition here? Xy less than 1. If xy greater than 1, we have formula pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Xy greater than 1. But here xy, product of x and y, xy is 1 by 7 into 1 by 8, 1 by 56, 100% less than 1. So xy less than 1 here. Now we should apply first formula. So cot of tan inverse of x plus y, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 upon 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 8 plus tan inverse of 1 by 18. So cot of what we get here, tan inverse of. So what is LCM here? 56 LCM. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, 15 by 56. Here denominator 56 minus 1 is 55 by 56. Plus tan inverse of 1 by 18. Here 56, 56 get cancelled. Here 5 3s, 5 11s get cancelled. Tan inverse of 3 by 11 plus tan inverse of 1 by 18. Again, we should apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. We have cot of, formula is tan inverse of x plus y. 3 by 11 plus 1 by 18 by 1 minus 3 by 11 into 1 by 18. What we get here? Cot of tan inverse After LCM, it will becomes 65 by 195. 65 by 195. Here is 65 1 j 65 3 j get cancelled. Cot of tan inverse of 1 by 3 is nothing but cot inverse of 3. So cot of cot inverse of 3 is nothing but answer is 3. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 3. Tan of cos inverse of 5 by 1 by 5 root 2 minus sin inverse of 4 by root 17. Here, let us take first function is A, second function is B. Cos inverse of 1 by 5 root 2, this should take A. Cos A, we get 1 by 5 root 2. So from this triangle, cos A formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? This is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is here 1, hypotenuse is 5 root 2. Opposite side is root under 5 root 2 whole square which 50 minus 1. This is 7. Okay, next is second inverse trigonometric function. We should take B. Sin inverse of 4 by root 17 is equal to B. B get sin B is equal to 4 by root 17. Okay, according to this triangle, one of the angle B here. What is the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 4. Hypotenuse is root 17. Adjacent side is 1. Now write what is required here. Tan of, here first function place in right A. Here second function place in right B. So we have tan A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Here tan A value from first triangle, tan A value opposite side by adjacent side 7. In this triangle tan A. Opposite side by adjacent side 7 by 1. In this triangle, second triangle tan B is equal 4 by 1. So 7 minus 4 by 1 plus 7 into 4. What we get here? 3 by 28 plus 1, 29. So 3 by 29 correct answer. Now I am going to explain question number 4. Find the value of root 1 plus x square. Root 1 plus x square into x cos cot inverse x plus sin of cot inverse x whole square minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 2. So root 1 plus x square. Let us take here cot inverse x, here cot inverse x is there. Cot inverse x is equal to theta. We get cot theta is equal to x. X is nothing but x by 1. From this triangle, this is theta. Cot theta formula is adjacent side by opposite side. Hypotenuse value root 1 plus x square. Here right. X cos, here cot inverse expression right theta plus sin of, here cot inverse x, we have taken theta whole square minus 1 power 1 by 2. The root under 1 plus x square x into cos theta value we have. What is the cos theta form? Adjacent side of hypotenuse. Here x by root under 1 plus x square plus sin theta value from this triangle. What is the form? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Whole square minus 1 power 1 by 2. So root under 1 plus x square X here, these two are like fractions. LCM is root 1 plus x square. Root 1 plus x square. In numerator, x into x, x square plus 1 whole square minus 1 power 1 by 2. So root under 1 plus x square into here x square plus 1, x square plus 1 by root 1 plus x square whole square. How much this value? So this is nothing but x square plus 1 whole square. By denominator root get cancelled, x square plus 1. 1 x square plus 1 also get cancelled. So what is this value? Only for x square plus 1. Only minus 1 here, there, minus 1 power 1 by 2. Here 1 get cancelled. Root 1 plus x square. Here x square power 1 by 2. It would be here 2 cancelled. What is answer? X into root 1 plus x square. X into root 1 plus x square is answer. Okay, now I'm going to explain question number 5. If sin inverse of x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 4 minus and so on infinity. Plus cos inverse of x square minus x to the power 4 by 2 plus x to the power 6 by 4 minus and so on infinity. Here, okay, we have one formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Here, in the statement, sin inverse of this function plus cos inverse of this function is equal to pi by 2. 100% these two functions are equal. Why? Because what is the formula here? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Where these two values are, if these two values are equal, it will be pi by 2. So sin inverse of here from result, this from statement, this result will be pi by 2 given. So what is this value here? X minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 4 minus and so on infinity is equal to here x square minus x to the power 4 or 2 plus x to the power 6 by 4 minus and so on infinity. If these two functions are equal, result will be statement will be pi by 2. From statement is equal to pi by 2 given. Okay, now here this is infinite GP. What is infinite GP formula? Sum of infinite GP one formula is there S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, here modulus of R less than 1. Here, first term is X, common ratio is, what is the common ratio here? T2 by T1. It will becomes minus X by X square by 2 by X minus X by 2. In this second series, here A is equal to X square. Common ratio is T2 by T1. It will becomes minus x to the power 4 by 2 by x square. Is nothing but x square cancel here. Minus x square by 2. Okay, now we should apply S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R formula. What is A here? X. X by 1 minus R. R value here minus x by 2. Right side function. Sum of GP formula is A by 1 minus R. Here x square by 1 minus, what is R here? Minus x square by 2. So both side 1x get cancelled. What is LCM denominator here? 2. So 1 by 2 plus x by 2. Here right side function x by 2 plus x square by 2. Here 2 also cancelled. Let us do cross product. What we get here? By cross product. So 2 plus x square is equal to x into 2 plus x. it will becomes 2 plus x square is equal to 2x plus x square. Here x square get cancelled. Therefore, 2x is equal to 2. We get x is equal to 1. So what is answer here? 1. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 6. Here, what is the given statement? Cos inverse of x by 2 plus 1 by 2 times of root under 3 minus 3x square plus cos inverse x. Here, let us take cos inverse x is equal to theta. That implies cos theta we get x. So now, what is the statement here? Cos inverse of, here expression right, cos theta by 2 plus 1 by 2 times of here 1 3 take out common. So 3 times of 1 minus x square root under. So this is nothing but root 3 into root 1 minus x square. Plus here cos inverse expression right here theta. That implies cos inverse of cos theta into here 1 by 2 place and right sine 30 degrees 5 by 6 plus root under 1 minus x square. X is equal to cos theta. Root under 1 minus x square is sine theta. 1 minus cos square theta. It will become sine theta. Here root under root 3 by 2. Here root 3 by 2 place and right cos pi by 6 into root 1 minus x square value we have got sine theta plus theta. Now it will becomes cos inverse of, what is the formula here? Cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. Sin A plus B. But sin A plus B, sin of, what is the here? Theta, B value pi by 6. Theta plus pi by 6 plus theta. Here sin convert into in terms of cos, right? Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta, that is one method is there. Other method, here 1 by 2 place in right cos 60 degrees. Here root 3 by 2 place in right sin pi by 3, sin 60 value. Why? Because outside function cosine function, inverse cosine function is there. Now we should write in terms of cosine here formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B. Cos A minus B, what we get? Cos A minus B means pi by 3 minus theta. Here now cos get cancelled. What we get here? Pi by 3 minus theta plus theta. It will become pi by 3. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 7. In the statement, one condition is given. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equal to pi. Then find out this value. X into root 1 minus y is x square. Y into root 1 minus y square plus z into root 1 minus z square. Let us take here first function is A. Second function is B. Third function is C. That implies here x is equal to sin A. Here y is equal to sin B. Then z is equal to sin C. Therefore, what is the condition? First function already assumed A plus. Second function is B. A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Here we should take what is the given function? X into root 1 minus x square plus y into root 1 minus y square plus z into root 1 minus z square. Okay, now we should find this value. Here x, y, z relation, right? Sin A, sin B, sin C. Sin A into root 1 minus sin square A. Sin B into, right? Y value here 1 minus sin square B. Z value here, right? Sin C into root 1 minus sin square C. Here sin A into root 1 minus sin square A value, we have cos A. Sin B into cos B. Sin C into cos C. Here divide multiply with 2 here. Why? Because we have one formula 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin B cos B, 2 sin C cos C. 2 sin A cos A we have formula sin 2A. 2 sin B cos B we have formula sin 2B. Sin 2C formula, this is sin 2C. Okay, we know that sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C, one transformation, one formula is there. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. What is the formula? 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. Here write 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. Here 1, 2 get cancelled here. 2 into sin A place and write x. Sin B place and write here y. Sin C place and z. What is the answer here? 2xyz. Okay, now I'm going to explain question number 8. Sin inverse of x plus cos inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 5 given. Then find out cos inverse x plus sin inverse y. Here sin inverse x we have formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. When x belongs to -1 to +1 closed interval. The sin inverse x formula is pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, right here. Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Here cos inverse y formula, according to this property, pi by 2 minus sin inverse y. The cos inverse y required. The cos inverse y relation, right? 90 minus sin inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 5. Here pi by 2 plus pi by 2 value, how much? Pi. The minus cos inverse x minus sin inverse y, sending right side, it will become positive. Here 2 pi by 5, bringing left side minus 2 pi by 5 is equal to cos inverse x plus sin inverse y. Pi minus 2 pi by 5 is nothing but after LCM we get 3 pi by 5 is equal to cos inverse x plus sin inverse y. So what is required here? Cos inverse x plus sin inverse y value we have got 3 pi by 5. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 9. Find the value of cos of a 2 sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4. So 2 sin inverse of 3 by 4 can be written as sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus sin inverse of 3 by 4. Plus cos inverse of 3 by 4 from statement is value given. Okay, we have formula sin inverse of 3 by 4. What is the formula? Sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to -1 to +1. If 3 by 4 also belongs to -1 to +1, it will become pi by 2 this value. Cos of sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4 place and write pi by 2 plus this value is sin inverse of 3 by 4. So cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta we have minus sin theta. Minus sin of where theta value sin inverse of 3 by 4. Here sin get cancelled. What we get here? -3 pi by -3 by 4 also. minus sin inverse of 3 by 4. Here sin get cancelled. Answer will be minus 3 by 4. Okay, next question. Here, one value given 2 tan inverse x plus 3 cot inverse x lies between a plus pi by 2 and b. Then find out ab values. How to find this value? A plus pi by 2 less than, here 2 tan inverse x, 3 cot inverse expression, right? 2 tan inverse, 2 cot inverse x plus cot inverse x. 2 cot inverse x plus cot inverse x less than b. Here I take 2 common here. A plus pi by 2 less than 2 times of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. We have formula pi by 2 where x belongs to R plus cot inverse x less than b. Here 2 get cancelled. Here what is our target? AB values. Okay, first find out cot inverse x range values. Here pi is there. Now 1 pi subtraction to each value. Here a plus pi by 2 minus pi less than, here pi cancelled, cot inverse x less than b minus pi. Here a plus pi by 2 minus pi, how much value? Minus pi by 2 less than cot inverse x less than b minus pi. Let us take this is equation 1. Okay, next we have cot inverse x lies between 0 to pi. Here left side value a minus pi by 2 is 0. Right side value b minus pi is equal to pi. So middle value cot inverse x. Therefore a minus pi by 2 is equal 0. A value we get pi by 2. Done. B minus pi. Here maximum value of cot inverse x is here b minus pi. Here value pi. B minus pi is equal to pi. B value we get 2 pi. So a value pi by 2, b value 2 pi. Thank you for watching. Remaining questions I will explain on next class.